Hi everybody, this is quarantine haircuts. So I'm gonna try to cut Cameron's hair and we'll see what happens, I guess. The baby's here too, so you can hear his music. That's what's happening.
Normally when I get my hair cut, I get a high fade with a 4 on the top and a 2 on the side. So
I've only cut hair in high school, and it was just like one number all the way around.
Buzz cut.
Yeah, buzz cut. So we'll see how this goes, I guess.
So if you
are you huffing?
No, I'm saying if you feel like you can't fade it, you could just give me a buzz cut. I don't care. My hair grows fast.
I heard a huff. How do you turn this on?
There's a button down here.
Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
So it's the next day. Obviously we're both wearing like different outfits. Baby had minor meltdown yesterday. He's teething really bad, so we had to finish the haircut today instead of yesterday. But this is the final haircut. I think it turned out pretty great. Let me hold on. Okay, do it again.
Oh.
Just roll around again.
Okay.
I think it turned out pretty good considering I have no hair cutting experience, and I don't know, you can't really tell that I faded it or not, but it's a little shorter on the sides than it is on the top. Cameron has a cowlick right here, that's why you can see his hair like standing up different ways, that's why. But yeah, what do you think?
I like it.
You want a refund?
No, it's free. You can't get a refund. No, you take a great job.
Okay, thanks.
It feels a lot better because it's really long, so.
Yeah, you don't.
Very thick, and I have 3 cowlicks, 1 here and 2 in the back, so I have to keep my hair short, otherwise it sticks up everywhere.
Yeah.
And so in another month it'll be ready for more cutting again.
Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe. I was like, what is the word I'm looking for?
Hit the like button.
Yeah, hit the like button. And we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.